To blur an object in Adobe Premiere, first open the Effects window by clicking Window and then Effects, or by switching to the Effects workspace. Search for Gaussian Blur and apply to the clip you want. In the Effect Controls window, you can now choose between an ellipse mask, a 4-point mask, or you can draw the mask by your own. Now select where to blur the footage. In the Effect Controls window, you can now adjust the blurriness, the feather and many other things. To apply this blurred selection now onto a moving object or person, you have two options. The simple one is by just clicking this symbol next to the mask path, and Premiere will automatically try to stick it to the object. You can track it forward and also backward. But in many cases, for example if there are fast movements, Premiere is not able to track it properly. So the second option will be to do it with keyframes. To do this, simply click on the watch icon next to mask path and it will set the keyframe, which can be seen on the right side. Now go a little bit forward and adjust the position by hand. Premiere will automatically set a new keyframe and calculate the motion between both keyframes. You can set as many keyframes as you want until you get your result. Hopefully this helps, and if you need additional information or tips and tricks, then check the description below. Good luck!